the difference between Sri Aurobindo and Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Because his Annamaya kosha was not functioning properly. You know about Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, his digestive system was not correct. I am not blaming him, because he couldn't withstand the inrush of an increasing vital dynamic force. And now Sri Aurobindo, he is prepared to bring down the supramind also. Forget about Kundalini, the most material force. You understand where the asana and pranayama are very important? And now, in coming February, there is going to be a lunar eclipse. Be prepared for it. Probably by that time, we can have a Mahabharata, which is already there in the supramental level, worked by Sri Aurobindo. What you have to do is to bring it down. How can you bring it down? First, practice this. Practice Padmasana.
And coming February is supramental day. 29th February 2008.
You see that coincidence? The coincidences are there. And the time probably has come. We are discussing it. But be prepared. Just wishing it. Jnana Yoga is not enough. There must be a heart to work for it, and an action, Karma Yoga, to lead there. So practice Padmasana and then Shavasana. And don't say Shavasana is not an asana. Many people think that Shavasana is the easiest, but it is the most difficult, because you have to relax yourself completely. Can you? So these two you practice. You can practice Shavasana when you are going to sleep. And if you can contact the Bihar School of Yoga, you can learn the Yoga Nidra. And the Yoga Nidra is stilling of the mind. And until and unless the mind is stilled, the overmind cannot come. And until the overmind comes, the supermind cannot come. So you have to practice all these things. But you can synthesize them. Whenever you sit, sit cross-legged in Padmasana. Whenever you sleep, you try to relax completely. That is Hatha Yoga. Why? Your ability to sustain an increasing vital or dynamic force of prana, that is Kundalini. And there you have to read about the chakras also. You have to know about all the chakras. And then in what way, modern terminology in websites, we call the chakra workout. How does it work? There are 5 groups of people who are controlling the world today. And now we have to get the 5 Pandavas to enter these 5 fields. That work is now on, and very soon, probably within few months, you will see what I am now telling. The 5 Pandavas entering these 5 states or 5 classes of people. One is politicians. They are controlled by Mooladhara, Prudhvi, because Na Vishnu Prudhvi Pate. You can't become a king without a Amsha of Vishnu, and Prudhvi is the wife of Lord Vishnu, Mooladhara Chakra. So, if you want your children to go into politics, or if you want to have a political help, you need not do anything but sit in Padmasana, let the Mooladhara work. Mooladhara. Sri Aurobindo has given many examples of this chakra workout in his letters, and now it is your duty to find them out. Don't ask me to do that work. Very clearly has talked about it. Politicians, Mooladhara. Business people, Swadhisthana. Many people come to me and say, suddenly they have lost the earning capacity. They are losing in their business. But if they know how to work their Swadhisthana chakra, all this I am telling about Kundalini, the various levels of Kundalini. But Sri Aurobindo doesn't talk about sitting and developing Mooladhara. He says you expand the Mooladhara so that the politicians are involved. How to do that? Well, that is what I am telling. That is what integral yoga is. You have to involve the politicians without they not knowing that they are being involved. And this can be done because you know that supra-mental powers can work also unconsciously. Unconsciously means, I am not saying the power is unconscious. The man who is being utilized is unconscious of that power. And if you understand this principle, can't you change the politicians in 3 years? If an atom bomb falls and square miles and miles are gone to waste, cannot our group Mooladhara Chakra control the politicians? You are conscious. The politicians need not know. And mind you, you are also supposed not to know. It is the super mind which has to act. You have to make your mind still. And if you say this man must work like this and think about the Mooladhara Chakra, it is dangerous. Because you are going into controlling other man, and that gives an ego sense. The Mooladhara, the same thing the Swadhisthana business people, Manipuraka, the scientists, Anahata, the actors, and of course the Vishuddhi, the teachers. So this integration of the Kundalini Yoga and integrate, because these 5 personalities control the material world. The politicians, the business people, the scientists, the actors, and probably the actors are now the dominant people. Actors in any level, TV actors or film actors, or those who act in the house also in so many levels. We are also actors, so it doesn't matter. If you act, the Anahata is active. And then the teachers, the Vishuddhi. Teachers, teaching line. Fifth. But all these are materialistically motivated, therefore you should have a material force to touch a material world, and that is Kundalini. And if you say, no, I don't want to use Kundalini, I want to the mental power, it goes off. Because their mind,
regarding these 5 categories.
5 categories, Mooladhara, business people, Swadhisthana, scientists, Manipuraka, Anahata, actors, teachers, actors, and then teachers. Teachers,
Teachers, that is
Vishuddhi. Throat they use. No. The Ajna is for overmind.
Vishuddha is for this.
Material. That is why I am talking about Kundalini and Asana and Pranayama. And you can't influence them by thinking noble thoughts. Noble thoughts can't influence them because they don't have such type of thinking. And we want these 5 Pandavas. How? You integrate it, utilizing asana and pranayama, and start a meditation center to control these 5.
It is without touching them.
You need not. You need not tell them also. But what we do, we work them. That is what Aurobindo has said. He worked for the entire humanity, for the entire planet Earth single-handed. And now can't we work in a group? Suppose there is a 200-volt battery. It generates 200 volts. But suppose 200 people with 1 volt capacity sit together. You have the result of a 200-volt battery. The only thing is, you should be connected properly. Next.